Alright, we're going to go over the probability packet that I just posted. I'm going to go over several of those questions to get you started. And on this packet, numbers 1 through 8, these are fundamental counting principle questions. And all that is if you have different groups and you're picking an item out of different groups, you just multiply however many items you have from each group together. So number 1, Zach has 3 pairs of shoes, 8 shirts, 5 pairs of jeans. How many distinct outfits can we come up with? So first group is shoes, there's 3. Second group is shirts, there's 8. Third group is jeans, and there's 5 of those. So multiplying these together, we will get 120 different combinations. All right, number 3 says you can pick a salad or 2 kinds of soup and a sandwich with 4 types of meat, 2 types of bread, 3 types of cheese. How many different combinations could be made for the lunch special? Okay, so what you've got to do here, since you can only pick a salad or 2 kinds of soup, you can consider that a group of 3. So we'll say 3 times, and a sandwich with 4 types of meat, so 4 times 2 types of bread times 3. So that will give me 72. Okay. So that's 1 through 8. That's how you do those. All right, let's look at number 9. If a marble is randomly chosen from a bag, contains exactly 6 purple marbles, 4 blue marbles, and 10 green marbles, what's the probability that the marble will not be green? Okay, so how many total marbles are in the bag? There's 20 total marbles. And how many of those are not green? There's 10 that are not green. So my answer is 1/2. Okay. Number 10, your prime numbers are numbers that are divisible only by 1 and themselves. So my prime numbers in this list, 2 is prime, 3 is prime, and 5 is prime. So what's the probability that the die will not land on a prime numbered face? So there are a total of 5 sides. And how many of those numbers are not prime? It's only 2, 2/5. Okay, let's skip on down to number 13. 13, a 16-piece orchestra wants to choose one of its members to speak at performances. They decide that this member cannot be one of the 4 soloists in the group. So what is the probability that Itzhak, who is not a soloist, will be chosen as the speaker? Okay, so they are not choosing from a list of 16. They're choosing from a group of 12 because they said that 4 of those 16 cannot be picked. So they're picking from 12 people. What's the probability that Itzhak is picked? Well, he's only 1, so 1/12. Okay. Okay. Well, let's finish with number 20. A recent survey of book critics asked 30 critics how many stars out of a possible 5 they gave to a recent novel. The 30 critics' responses are summarized by the histogram. What fraction of the critics gave the book a 1-star review? So here's our stars. Here is our group that picked 1 star, and that was 4 people. So 4 people out of how many people? 30. And this is divide by 2, 2 over 15. Okay.